Hi, so I'm Angelina from AME Me. As you know, I work in partnership with Gen Invest, looking at properties and how to maximise your profit. For me, it is about investing in two areas, so that's your kitchens and bathrooms. So we're in IKEA, which is one of my favourite places because they really make you think about maximising space. This is one of my favourite kitchens at the moment in IKEA because it's quite a small floor. So the area footage on it is actually not that big, but they squash so much in. So you have a seating area, which naturally everybody wants in their kitchen. You've got a lovely double sink in there. They've taken the cupboards right to the ceiling. So you have lots of space. It's all at different levels. So I'm going to go around IKEA and show you the best that they have to offer. I like the fact that it is very modern and simplistic, clean lines. But once again, they're using the space very wisely. So like here, you've got your oven. Normally, I'm talking your oven, you've got your hob, but no, they've left this bit as a shelf, which maximises there for you to put your creative photos, candles, making it look a bit more homey in there. Clean lines, as you can see, maximising the space. No tiles needed or anything like that. But considering they've got dark units or dark tops, using the dark splashback, but adding the copper gives it that air of expensive and elegance. As we said earlier, it's also about looking at maximising your profit. Kitchens, as I said, and bathrooms. You really don't need to spend a lot in a kitchen, but if you want to get the best returns, if you want to get more people interested in your property, then it is about investing in those areas. Keep them simple, don't go for the trends because at some point you're going to have to change it. Looking at white kitchens and then adding colour with paint and different tiles. I like this kitchen, but that's more about when you're creating your own home. One of the things you need to be thinking about when you're creating or developing any property is your client. So if you've got a student accommodation or a young professional couple, they don't really spend a lot of time in their kitchen, so you don't really need to take a lot of space for your kitchen. So IKEA are just amazing at maximising space. This kitchen is actually really small, but the trick is they've got tabletops that are not so deep. Deeper ones on this side so you can do your chopping and seasoning your meat and things like that. But if you had double-sided tops that were both so deep, make it really small and feel costly. Still to get your wine in there, but with great use of space once again, elevating things, not having all the shelves bulky, and also makes it feel more airy. So using these round shelves is another good trick. You want to make it more modern. Splashes of colour are amazing. Anything on white, you can have a splash of yellow, splash of green, splash of blue, taking it to the units. But what you can do, another trick is buy cheap white units and then just paint them with some specialised paints, or you can actually get a PVA cover which will give you the same effect as what IKEA do. So another thing that we spoke about earlier is having furniture that has multiple functions. So if you look at this table here, you've got a great seating area where your friends can come and socialise. When you come around the other side of it, it's teamed up with all the storage. Drawers are not really deep, but you're still able to house your cutlery, tea towels. You really need to think about what the furniture is used for, and then you don't need to have so many shelves, you don't need to have that extra table when you can take ideas like this from IKEA. Loving the all-white walls around the cooker, but as you can see, they've got the splashes of orange behind it. And like I said before, sometimes it's great to have the orange units like they've done here. At some point, you'll go off the orange and you'll have to replace it. But by painting the wall, you get the same effect, but able to change it whatever the season or however you're feeling. Hi, so we've just had a little walk around IKEA, looking mainly at their kitchens and how they've been able to create spaces with so much impact but with small areas, which they're absolutely amazing at doing, creating pieces of furniture that have multiple functions. So we looked at that great modern kitchen with the sleek white units that had a shiny surface, but then had that major splash of orange on the walls and 2 of their cupboards, but then also had that middle island that was also used for all their drawers to store their cutlery and tea towels and things like that, but was also a great seating area. When creating any space, think of those things. Think about your clients, who's using it and how they're going to use it, and also create a room that has some form of impact. Create a home, not a house.